The essential repair treatment for banishing dry, brittle, damaged hair. Luxurious deep hair conditioning treatment for healthy, bouncy, and shiny curls. Regain your locks' moisture. Banish those pesky tangles, leaving them smoother than ever. This deep hair treatment is great for restoring moisture and supple elasticity to damaged, curly, tight curly, kinky or transitioners hair. Its essential, intense deep treatment is a natural curl's secret weapon. Ingredients. Water, AQUA, O, CETYL alcohol, cyclopentasiloxane, STEARYL alcohol, BEHENTRIMONIUM chloride, BEHENTRIMONIUM methosulfate, LAURYL alcohol, BUTYROSPERMUM shea butter, CYCLOHEXASILOXANE, dimethicone, yellow 10, C1 dimethiconol, orange 4, C1 1550, DMDM hydantoin, CETERETH 20, BENZYL BENZOATE, butylene glycol, fragrance, parfum, HYDROXYETHYLCELLULOSE, disodium EDTA, hydrolyzed wheat protein, IODOPROPYNYLBUTYLCARBAMATE, hydrogenated vegetable oil, citric acid. Top reviews from the United States. Very moisturizing. It helps to moisturize my dry, wavy, curly hair. Loved the way my hair felt after just one 30-minute treatment.